Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Leo.
How old are you, Leo?
I'm 5 years old.
What color do you like?
I like red.
What animal do you like?
I like dog.
Okay, now Leo, what letter is this?
Letter M.
F.
F.
F is for...
Fish.
And this one, what's this?
Fox.
Good job. What letter is this? Letter Q.
Q.
Q is for...
Queen.
And...
Quill.
Very good. Now, what letter is this? G.
G.
G is for...
Goat.
Goat and...
Race.
Okay, good job. Next, what letter is this? H.
H.
H is for...
House.
H is for...
Head.
Okay, next, what letter is this? Letter I.
I.
I is for...
Ice cream.
I is for...
Insect.
Very good. What letter is this? Letter J.
J.
J is for...
Jockey.
J is for...
Yum.
Okay, next. What letter is this?
Letter I.
K.
K.
K is for...
Key.
K is for...
Kite.
Okay, next. What letter is this? Letter
U.
L.
L.
L is for...
Lion.
L is for...
Lamb.
Okay, next. Letter M.
M.
M is for...
Moon.
M is for...
Mouse.
Next. What letter is this? Letter N.
N.
N is for...
Notes.
N is for...
One. Number.
Number. Okay, next. What letter is this?
O.
Okay, O is for...
Onion.
And?
Onion.
And how about this one? O.
Orange.
Okay. Next, what letter is this? Letter P.
P.
P is for...
Pencil.
P is for...
Pig.
Okay, next. What letter is this?
W.
W is for...
Whale.
And...
Walk.
Wall. And...
Z.
Z. Z is for...
Zebra.
And...
June.
Okay, zoo.
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 Okay, now. What do you see?
I see a pink pig.
Very good. What do you see?
I see a brown goat.
Very good. What do you see?
I see a blue rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a white sheep.
Yeah. What do you see, Leo?
I see a
Red and
red and
white.
rooster.
Okay. What do you see?
I see a brown horse.
What do you see? I see
I see a orange hat.
Okay, and what do you see?
I see a brace goose.
Okay, thank you, Leo. High five. Yeah.